now we are going to learn our CSS. So please make sure that you have subscribed my YouTube channel so you can get all the new videos that I will upload on my YouTube channel. So now we are going to learn CSS. Right now I am using VS Code to learn CSS and HTML. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do open a folder, click on open folder and create a new folder, name it as CSS. So select folder, and what I'm going to do, I will create here two files, index.html and style.css. Okay, fine. Now what we are going to do, we are going to repeat the same process that we used to learn our HTML, and now we are going to use the same process to learn our CSS. So this is our basic header files of HTML. Okay, I will name it as learning CSS. Okay, learning CSS is looking pretty good. Okay, I will link my HTML to CSS. This is the first part of CSS, to learning CSS. If you are learning CSS, then you have to know that how to link our HTML to CSS. Link rel and press enter. You have to write style sheet here, and then href, and then is equal to style.css. Okay, fine. Style.css. okay, that's good. Okay, what we are now going to do, we are going to do some learn our CSS. So what we are first we will learn that how we can change colors of our CSS in our CSS. Okay, I will write here first of all I will write here a heading. I will call it hello, this is Javarevisited YouTube channel. Okay, so this is our heading. So, and I will style this in our CSS, but before this I will also write a paragraph here. I will write in paragraph, I will write make sure that you have subscribed my YouTube channel, and please do not forget to subscribe, to press the bell icon so you can get the latest videos that I will upload in future. Okay, fine. So we have written a heading and a paragraph. So you can see, let me show you in the browser. Not here is CSS. Yeah, okay. So here you can see this is our heading and this is a simple paragraph. So what we are going to do now, we are going to changing in CSS. Okay, first of all you have to write here body, and then a delimiter or curly braces, you can also call it delimiters. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to write a background. If you want to change background color, then you have to this background color, if you are saying it white, then the color of background is white right now, so we are going to change the color of background. Okay, we will write background because we are going to change the background color, so we will write background color. Okay, fine, and press enter. And it depends on you that what kind of color you want in your background. I'm going to choose black because I like black. So okay, fine. Now let me reload this, and here you can see that our screen is now black, our background is now changed. We are successfully connected to the CSS. Our HTML is connected to CSS. Okay, fine. Now we are going to change the color of our text that we used, for example h1 and paragraph. Okay, what we are going to do, we will write here h1 means heading, and we will change it color. how we are going to change it color? Just simply write color and red. You can choose it whatever you want. I am going to choose it red because I like red. The color combination is really good. Oh fine, here you can see. And I will also change the paragraph color. I will write color and here white. Okay fine, I think it will look pretty good. Okay, reload. Oh yeah, as you can see that it's looking very good. Let me zoom it for you. Okay, you can see it's looking really good. Okay, now what we are going to do, for example, hello, this is Javarevisited YouTube channel. You want this in center, not in the left side. So what will you do? Okay, here you will in H1, so you will write float left, no sorry, not float center. You will say float center. What does it will do? It will make your text in the center, not in the center. Okay, here is a problem. Okay, I think I made a mistake. Float, we use float for right and left. Let me show you. Right, it will work. Let me show you. Here you can see it will work. But to be in center, if you want to make your text in the center, then what will you use? We will use text align. Let me show you. Text align. I just made a mistake. I apologize for that. Text align center. Let me change it from right to center. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me reload this. Here you can see our code is working really good. Okay, now our text is in center. What if you want to make underline, if you want to make your heading underlined? So what you will do, you have to make text decoration line, text decoration underline. Okay, that's good. Here you can see the underline or a line in the heading. So if you want to change its color, simply you can write its color, so it will be changed. Simply you can see, here you can see, and it's looking really good, as you can see. So let me make a change in the H1. Okay, I just added a colon instead of a dot. Okay, it's looking really good. And what I'm going to do next, if you want to change the background color of H1, then what will you do? This is the most important thing that you have to learn. Okay, let me show you here H1. Now we are going to change, first we change the color, background color of background color of our screen. Then we change, now we are going to change the background color of H1. There is a background color black everywhere. So if you want to make a change in background color in H1, so you have to write background color white or whatever you want to. Here you can see, so it's looking really good. Or because here we have changed the H1 background, not the whole page. We just changed the background of H1. So here you can see, if you don't want this, then you can simply don't use if you don't want, but I just use this to show you how things work in CSS. Let me reload this. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, now our underlined color is white. So what we are going to do, I'm going to make a change here. I will make it red, so it will be visible, more visible. Yeah, good. Okay, now what we are going to do, I'm just finish this. I will finish a background in H1, so it will be looking good. Okay, and now the color of underline. Okay, that's good.